Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low FPS on Roblox for your PS4 and PS5 consoles. Are you having trouble with your FPS when you're trying to play Roblox on your PlayStation? I'm going to go through a few possible fixes that can help you if you're having glitches on your PlayStation. Although Roblox is not optimized on the PlayStation, there's a few methods you can use to help boost your FPS. The first method is to go into your settings and go into system. Once you're there, you're going to make sure boost mode is on. If you're on a PS5, you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to save data, and then you're going to go to game presets and make sure your performance mode is on. The next method you can do, you scroll down to your sound and screen settings and go to video output. Make sure that super sampling mode is off, because when you're trying to get a higher resolution, it may impact your FPS quality. The final method, you can check for an update on your Roblox if it needs an update. If you do not need an update, start up Roblox to see the improvements. Hope this tutorial helped. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.